Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hopefully, you're enjoying your weekend. Today is Sunday, May the 14th, 2023. All right, I'm not going to hold you long so you can enjoy the rest of your day. Let's jump into it. So, the Bitcoin futures that you see here was the market has reclaimed the price action. We're in a bear market with a locked in bearish trend momentum reading. The market is bouncing from the top of the Kumo cloud support. The next leg down will take out the 25,000 level and put the market into a free fall status on its way down to the 20,000 level, which is down here. Next up, we got silver. So silver is in a bull market, but it has a bearish trend momentum reading. We had that crash alert initially back here. It took 3 days before the market gave you downside production. And then on Friday, we got even more downside production. Market's on its way to test that 2350 to 2250 support range, which corresponds with the top and bottom of the Kumo cloud. Excuse me. If that does not hold, your next support is all the way down sub $20. So this could get nasty. It depends how fast, how furious. And if it does happen, it's a possibility we will lose the bull market and you'll come into a locked in bear market. So just prepare yourselves for that possible inevitability. Next up is nat gas. Nat gas still has a bullish trend momentum reading in this bear market. The market is trying to get above that $3 mark and stage a bear market rally. So we'll see if it is successful. Once that happens, I think the programs will turn on and the bulls will show up, wake up out of hibernation, and come and snatch the market away from the bears. Next up, we got the Dow futures. So Dow futures still in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And we have a crash alert for tonight, for Sunday night into Monday morning. 33,000 level is going to be tested. And it looks like that level may just collapse. That support could collapse and put the Dow into a free fall status all the way down to the 31,000 level, folks. We're looking at the possibility of a 2,000 plus point drop potential here in the Dow starting Sunday night. Next up is the NASDAQ 100, which has been the most bullish out of the indices. So it's in a bull market. It had a bullish trend momentum reading, locked in bull market until Friday. Friday's closed, gave us a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looking like the 13,500 level is proving to be a resistance spot here for the NASDAQ. We'll get further confirmation if we see that crash alert come into fruition Sunday night. Next up, we got gold futures. Gold futures is in the bull market, but it's been in a bearish trend momentum reading. We had a crash alert Thursday night for Friday's trading, and we got that. The initial crash alert here, the market waited 3 days before we started getting downside production. Day 4, it started, and then day 5, we came all the way down here. So let's see, 2007 even, and 2005. So we didn't truly take this out. The market waited until that 5th day to really say, okay, we're ready to fall now. And like I said, the indicators tend at times to lead the market 3 to 5 days out. And that's exactly what you see happening in the gold market. Next up is the S&P 500. S&P 500 crossed over from a bear market to a bull market, but it's been under the auspices of the bearish trend momentum reading. So the market has been really struggling with the 4,200 resistance zone. Now it's trading in a sideways consolidation under a bear market bias crash alert, and the market has been suspended in midair for a week. I believe that that is about to snap, because the 4,000 level needs to be thoroughly tested before anything major is able to happen here. So definitely a bearish bias in the S&P. Looking at crude oil, we're in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading that has been neutralized. So the bullish trend momentum reading we had has been neutralized. All right, the market gave you a crash alert Thursday night, started to get some downside production. Excuse me, on Friday. I think the market is going to, I think it's ready to take out the bearish pointer and hit a new 52-week low. And we'll see about that. We will definitely see about that with the confirmation when the market opens tonight. Hit the wrong button. Sorry about that. All right. Russell. Russell's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and that is the buy the tip, buy the dip, buy the pullback status, but that has not been happening. The market's been frozen here. We had the rally alert, then we got another one, and then the market was into the fourth day, and nothing has really materialized yet. So the 1800 resistance zone is proven to be quite difficult and powerful for the Russell. It's hard for the Russell to deal with at this time. So I don't know if we're going to get any upside production. The market's trying to, but it's just so much overhead resistance right now for the Russell that it's proven to be insurmountable. So I think the Russell will continue to be the weakest and pull the rest of the indices down with it. All right, so the next chart is the US dollar, which is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. And you can see here that that consolidation zone of 101 support and 103 resistance is still remaining intact. Market's trying to test the higher end now, that 103 part. And we did have a rally alert on Thursday night, and you did get upside production on Friday. And remember, we had this positive bot check. So I did warn you that some upside surprise was inevitable and was going to come at some point. And that's exactly what happened here. Next up, we got Ethereum. So Ethereum now is in a bear market with the bearish trend momentum reading, which means it's locked into the downside. So I'm expecting this one to come down here and hit the bottom of the Kumo cloud support around the 1650 level. And if that doesn't hold, we go into free fall because this bear market is locked in. So we have to anticipate and assume that the market wants to come down and hit new lows, take out support here. First support is the top of the Kumo cloud. Second is the bottom. Third support is this old support back here. The next one will be this support back here, then this support back here, and then 52-week lows all the way down here. So a process has started in your Ethereum. All right, folks. So that's all I got to show you. What's up to Village Green in the live chat? What's up? What up to Ben O? What up to Quando? I see your request. Let's see what we can do for you on that real quick. See if I can get that up for you. Let's see here. Pull it up. I'm hoping I can do it. I may not. Let's see. All right, that's not working. So let's try something else. Bear with me. Oh, Phil. Thank you, Phil. Thank you, Phil, for the donation. Good looking out. Much appreciated. Much love. I'm still waiting a minute to see if it's going to come up for you, Quando. Just hold on a second. Be right there. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to you, too, to all of our Pulse waivers out there. All right, let's see here. GMDA. I think I got you now on the NASDAQ. Gameta sell, or however you say that, on the NASDAQ. Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen. I got it up for you now. All right, so this one here is in a bear market. It had a bullish trend momentum reading, which coincided with the bear market rally that the market was able to do and get topside here. And then we put in a crash alert on Friday and went into neutralize. So for now, the market is neutralized with a crash alert. I anticipate the market will pull back and test this $1.50 support around here, $1.50-ish. And then we'll see if the bear market rally will continue or not. All right, so that's just something to think about here. Your support, your major support is at $1. That's like the psychological support here. But before you even start thinking about the Kumo cloud down here, you got the $1.50 support that needs to be tested on this one. All right, and then you want to take a look at SPPI. Let's see, SPPI. All right, this one is also on the NASDAQ. This is Spectrum Pharmaceuticals. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so this one's in a bear market. It had been under a bullish trend momentum reading corresponding to the nice little bear market rally that you had here. And the issue I see here is you got a crash alert on Friday saying that the market is temporarily topped out, short-term top. I think the market's going to retrace all the way down here to fill this gap that was created here on the week of April 25th. So I think this is where the market wants to go to close that gap. And if it is successful and can bounce from the Kumo cloud's support, the first support here at 85 cents, then you should be able to continue and relock in on the bear market rally. If not, then I'm afraid that the bears will reclaim the price action and send prices back to the old supports, sub 85 cents. All right, folks. So that is all we got for you today. Told you I wasn't going to keep you too long, so you can finish enjoying your weekend and your Mother's Day. Hopefully everyone is having a fantastic weekend. I wish you all the best. And remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Smash that like button. Peace.